me, Eya Crimson, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna do a Korean-inspired makeup look, and let's start with face mist, the aloe vera soothing gel face mist of Fresh. And then for the moisturizer, I'm gonna use Celitech moisturizing, or moisturizer rather, sorry. It's my first time doing voiceover. Okay, let's moisturize that face. After moisturizing, I'm gonna use Baby Skin primer of Maybelline to prime my face. Okay, so let's start with my base, the BB cream of Eye White in the shade of beige. And I'm gonna use a damp sponge. For the concealer, I'm gonna use Fit Me concealer in the shade of Fair to conceal my imperfections and eye bags since lagi na akong puyat, and also my pimples and cheek nerves. Using the damp sponge, I'm gonna blend it in as well. Okay, I'm gonna contour my face using the Nichido contour stick. I'm gonna contour my jawline as well as my cheekbones and a little bit of my forehead since medyo nataba na tayo this quarantine. Using a brush to blend it in, voila! And then using a washi tape, I'm gonna put it on my eyes para hindi ko malat yung magiging eyeliner ko kasi hindi talaga ako marunong mag-eyeliner. Okay, using Fashion Brow by Maybelline, I'm gonna use it to do my brows. I think the shade of this is deep brown. Yeah, pero hindi talaga ako marunong magkilay. Diyos ko. Look at that. Using the Caroline Play to Slay palette, I'm gonna do a reddish makeup. And using this brush, I'm gonna blend it in. And I'm gonna use some shimmer shade. Okay, using the Wet n Wild palette, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use this dark red shade on my outer crease. After that, I'm gonna use the Caroline Gap ink eyeliner. This is what I'm talking about. This is what the washi tape is for. Hindi ako marunong mag-eyeliner. And I'm gonna use this brush to put some highlight. And I'm gonna curl my lashes real quick. I'm not gonna use mascara because I don't have mascaras anymore. Although I have, but it's too old, so yep. And for my blush, I'm gonna use this Caroline blush, the shade of, I actually forgot, but it's like the pinkish shade. I actually got this from my classmate Josh. Ito yung Christmas present niya sa akin kasi siya yung kamunito-munit ako. And since I'm getting oily, I'm just gonna brush that in. Since I forgot to use a powder, my god. And for my lip tint, I'm gonna use the Dear Darling tint in the shade of Cherry Kiss. It's actually pinkish because Koreans use pinkish shade on their lips. A little more. Yun. Yes. For the last part, I'm gonna highlight my face using the Caroline palette as well. And a little more on the So that will be all for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you do like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And click this. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nakakapag-vlog. Nakakalimutan ko na yung mga sasabi ko. Although paulit-ulit lang naman siya. Anyways, ayun. Back to my normal self. Kasi hindi ako makapagsalita kanina. Kasi alam ko madidistract ako habang nag-aayos. Kaya sinabi ko, magbo-voice over na lang ako. But for the ending, I guess it's right, di ba nga? Distract ako agad, ending na lang, Diyos ko naman. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye-bye! Stay safe, stay sanitized!